Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'University University of Blida 2. Today we're going to present my first lecture titled The C Suite. So I have divided my first lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is a C-suite? What are the number of C-level positions? Language activities, how to use, receive the title of, and finally, our assessment from different types of assessments, quizzes, tests, and exams. First element, what is the C-suite? Also called C-level and exact. The C-suite, also known exact and name or called C-level, refers to a company's top management position where the C stands for chief, various chief officers. Example, CAO, CIO, CFO, etc. are the occupants of the C-suite. These individuals, while highly paid and influential managers, are still employees of the firm. What are the number of C-level positions? The number of C positions varies by firm depending on variables such as the company size, mission, and sector. So, C-level members work in concert to ensure a company's strategies and operations align with its established plans and policies. Third element, language activities. How to use receive the title of. Receive the title of refers to the accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For example, Attaf received the title of CIO in his company. Amin received the title of Chief Marketing Officer in his business. Mustafa was very excited to receive the title of Technology and Web Developer in a new company at Diyar al-Bahri. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.